What are the strategies should required while email marketing? First thing is autopilot mode. We have set up all these things in a autopilot mode by using autoresponders. First thing is lead generation. While after lead generation, we have sent them welcome mails. After welcome mails, we have sent them values by giving some ebooks, videos, audio clip. We have giving them continuously for 5 days. Our main motto to be our audience, our customers converted cold to warm. Until our audience should not converted cold to warm, we have give them continuously value. As I told you, by giving ebooks, by giving audio clip, videos, video series, by giving surveys, like that. You have to ensure your audience will convert into warm. Then after, you have to ask for selling. You have to pitch your product or service to him. Some people are buying, some people are not buying. So let's suppose your mailing list is 100 people and 3-4% people buy your products. Remaining peoples, you have to give them value continuously, and most probably your remaining customer will also purchase your product or services. So you have to follow these strategy. I will damn sure you will definitely get results. So if this video helpful, please share, like and comment. Thank you so much.